Hey friends, welcome back to Startup Sparks. If you've ever typed side hustle ideas into Google or binge-watched videos about making passive income, this one's for you. Today, I'm sharing my real experience trying 7 different side hustles. What worked, what failed miserably, and the one that genuinely changed my life. Spoiler alert, most of them weren't worth it. The experiment setup. I set out to test 7 side hustles over the span of a year. Some I tried for a few weeks, others for months. My goal wasn't to get rich quick. It was to find something that 1. Had long-term potential, 2. Fit my lifestyle, 3. Didn't destroy my soul. So here's the honest breakdown of each hustle. Dropshipping. I started with dropshipping. It's everywhere on YouTube, right? But here's the thing, it's not passive at all. It took weeks to build a store, run ads, manage refunds, and deal with angry customers. Result, made some sales, but profit margins were razor thin. Burned out fast, learned about e-commerce, but not sustainable for me. Freelancing. Next up was freelancing. I offered graphic design on Fiverr and Upwork. It took time to land my first gig, but once I got rolling, the income was decent. Result, decent hourly pay, but time equals money. No scale. Great for short-term cash, not ideal long-term. Online courses. I tried creating a mini course and sold it through Gumroad. The topic was niche, but I had some expertise. Result, sales were slow, but I made $150 without active effort after launch. Passive potential, but requires audience and marketing. YouTube. Yes, this very channel was once just a hustle idea. The growth was painfully slow at first, filming, editing, thumbnails, SEO, but after months of consistency, it started gaining traction. Result, low income early, but long-term potential is massive. Also builds brand and audience. Instagram theme pages. I ran a niche meme page. Grew it to 10K in 2 months. I sold shoutouts and affiliate links. Result, fun, but inconsistent income. Great for trend-savvy people, but requires constant posting. Print on demand. I created t-shirt designs using Canva and listed them on Redbubble and Teespring. Result, made a few bucks. Extremely saturated. Great creative outlet, but low ROI without ads. Building a digital product. This was the one that changed everything. I built a productivity Notion template and sold it through Gumroad. It took 3 days to make and promote it. I used Reddit, Twitter, and YouTube to market. Result, sold hundreds of copies. Passive, scalable, evergreen. High leverage, zero inventory, great margins. Why this one worked? 1. Here's why the digital product hustle won. 2. I created once, sold forever. 3. No customer service. 4. No inventory. 5. My audience aligned with the product. 6. Super low overhead. I realized I wasn't just selling a product, I was selling value, time, and clarity. That's what people actually buy. Lessons you can use. If you're looking for your side hustle, ask yourself, 1. Can I see myself doing this for 1 to 2 years? 2. Am I learning skills that are valuable long-term? 3. Can this scale without trading time for money? And remember, don't choose a hustle just because it's trending. Choose one that matches your skill, interest, and long-term goals. So, would I do all 10 again? Absolutely. They taught me more than any book or class ever could. But if I had to pick one, it's creating and selling a digital product. It gave me money, confidence, and freedom. If you're serious about building something, start with what you know, solve a problem, and package it into value. Thanks for watching Startup Sparks. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and comment below. What side hustle are you thinking of trying next? Let's spark that journey.